Having trouble with chat heads or chat bubbles not working on Messenger? It can really mess up your multitasking. This usually happens because of blocked notifications, missing permissions, or a software glitch. Here's how you can fix it step by step. Solution 1. Enable Screen Overlay Setting. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap Developer Option. If this option is not enabled, make sure to turn on Developer Option to get access. Now scroll down. Enable Allow Screen Overlays on Settings. Scroll up also, find out Graphic Driver. Find out Messenger. Tap on it. Select System Graphic Driver. Go back. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap Notification. Tap Advanced Settings. Tap Floating Notification. Select Bubbles. Solution 2. Enable Chat Head Permissions. Open the Messenger app. Tap 3-line. Tap Setting. Scroll down. Turn on Chat Heads. If this is enabled, then turn it off and then turn it back on again. Solution 3. Enable Notification Permissions. Go to Settings on your device. Scroll down. Tap Apps or Apps and Notifications and find Messenger in the list. Tap Notifications. Turn this feature on. Solution 4. Update or reinstall Messenger. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Messenger and check if an update is available. If there is no update, uninstall and reinstall the app to resolve potential glitches. Just follow these steps and you should be able to fix the issue and get chat heads working again on Messenger. If you have any more questions or need extra help, feel free to drop a comment.